The vision for Albatross really started a couple years back. Following COVID, the owners of our company are a little younger and found that the nightlife experience had diminished and they weren't really getting what they wanted from a social experience any longer. Their friends, their groups, and social colleagues wanted to go out and still do something, not the traditional bar scene. They wanted an activity to accompany that nightlife. And there just wasn't a venue that met that expectation. So the vision for Albatross started with us wanting to create this concept that embodied nightlife with this spectacle of activities that was beyond anything anyone had seen yet. When we were designing Albatross, we always knew that bowling was going to play a pivotal role in our product. Now, we, contrary to what any other bowling center does nationwide, didn't plan for bowling to be our star attraction. It's meant to be the secondary attraction to our golf. The namesake of Albatross is related to that golf product. However, what we see is that every Saturday we're sold out for bowling well in advance. Everyone loves the product, and what we did with it, partnering with Cubica AMF, was something that no one had seen done before with bowling. Well, for us, the design was all-encompassing. We knew we were going to have Neoverse play a pivotal role in our design, so we went with the darker environment so that the Neoverse could truly be a spectacle in of itself. And when guests walk in and they see the wall-to-wall video, they've never seen anything like that before, let alone finding out that it's interactive with the gameplay experience. They are simply blown away by how amazing and beautifully visual the experience is. If I was asked by someone whether I would recommend Cubica AMF, absolutely. There's no question in that. If they were considering to partner with them and open their own center, I can safely say there's only one choice, and it's a good choice. I would highly recommend Cubica AMF.